Hello! Today we're going to make a spicy chicken stew. For this we need 5 chicken breasts, some peppers of different colors, mushrooms, garlic, chili and leek. First we're gonna velvet the chicken. For velveting 1 kilo, which is about 35 ounces of boneless chicken, we're gonna need 2 egg whites and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. As we're cutting up the chicken, we're doing it against the fiber. Now we will add the chicken, which we have cut up here. We should not be afraid to let our hands get dirty for this one. Why are we velveting the chicken? Basically, it's because we want to prevent it from being overcooked and therefore turning dry. The chicken breast is coated in a mixture of egg white and cornstarch and marinated up to 30 minutes. We have 30 minutes before the velveting is done. That's 1 glass of wine, or if you would prefer, 2 glasses of champagne. Choose wisely. Let's cut this up. Now we have cleaned off the egg whites and I am frying them a little bit, just about 30 seconds on each side so that they will turn white. And that would be enough for now. They will be finished cooking when I put the other ingredients in. So there is no worry, I will not serve them medium rare. Now it's time for the other stuff to go in. Add some oil. Now we're stir frying the vegetables a little bit. We will put in the chicken. This broth mix is made out of 2 deciliter of either water, sherry or white wine, 3 tablespoons of soy, chili and some chicken broth, and 2 to 4 tablespoons sambal ole. And we're going to mix it all together. Now we keep it cooking under the lid to make the chicken finish. The longer you let it cook, the better taste will it have. If you feel the consistency of the stew is a bit too watery, I can recommend that you take about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, mix them together with cold water, put it into the stew. Some more heat, boil up. Yeah, you can see it becomes more gooey. Yeah, so, and with that I wish you bon appetit and see you next time. Bye bye.